episode here at Doctors of Podiatry. This very pleasant young patient 1 year ago was vacationing in the Mykonos, and unfortunately by mistake, right, someone pushed her, into the water, and she landed on a sea urchin. She did seek medical care in the Mykonos, and I will definitely also add that to the video so you guys can see how many sea urchin spines were embedded into the foot. She presented back, she came back to Miami, she came to see us, she had a couple of them there. We really didn't do a whole lot. I'll show you guys the x-rays at the time, and then, a sea urchin is basically an exoskeleton. So when people see them, right, whether in shops, whether they find them on the beach, they're white. They have calcium, right? It's calcium. And what basically happens is, at this point now, she has one. There were two when she came to see us. One, the body was able to break it down, and now the second one is sort of still, it wants to come out. So the only reason why I'm using a tourniquet is so that you guys can sort of see what I'm going to do, right? Because if it's not, it'll probably be... Okay, and I'm going to try to sort of move the little tourniquet here. The only thing I ask from the patient is, please do not move. Even though she is... Dolor?
No.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to try to... If the tourniquet comes out, then I apologize for the viewers because I see already... And we can see it.
You can see it?
Down there. So what I'm going to try to do... We didn't have this tourniquet here. Doc, can you hold it here a second? Just so, no, not so hard, just so the viewers can see here. Watch this, guys. That's it.
It's gone?
Let's put it right here so everyone can see. Look, listen.
Ugh.
And we're just gonna look around here, just make sure there's nothing left here, right? Take out everything there. How can something so small cause so much pain? I don't know, she's sort of, people express themselves in different ways. They cry, they shed some happy tears or sad tears. Problem solved here in Miami. A lot of people come in because sometimes they go boating and they jump from the back of the boat into the water. They don't really see, they sort of see, but they land on coral, they land on a piece of little rock. Doesn't necessarily need to be a spine of a sea urchin, but we do see a lot of, foreign bodies that come in here because of that. We are not in Wisconsin here. We're in sunny Miami. So what we'll go ahead and do now is we'll re-x-ray the foot to make sure that everything is, that we removed, the little piece of sea urchin, okay? Stand by. Welcome everyone to another episode here at Jaws Podiatry. This is actually the before x-ray of removing the remnants of the sea urchin spine. As everyone can see here, that's the culprit. So we're going to go ahead and remove that sea urchin spine, which is causing the patient discomfort. Stand by for follow-up. Okay everyone, so here's the post-procedural x-ray, and as everyone can see, the sea urchin spine has been removed. Happy patient, happy doctor, happy feet. Like always, thank you for watching.